Ancient Roman technology. The Roman Empire had one of the most advanced set of technologies of its time, some of which were lost during the turbulent eras of late antiquity and the early Middle Ages. Gradually, some of the technology feats of the Romans were rediscovered and or improved upon, while others went ahead of what the Romans had done during the Middle Ages and the beginning of the modern era. Several technology feats in different areas like civil engineering, construction materials, transportation technology, and some inventions such as the mechanical reaper were surprising achievements until the 19th century. One of the aqueducts that is still up to date is Pointe du Gard Roman Garou, which is also known as southern France. The upper tier encloses an aqueduct that carried water to Nîmes in Roman times. Its lower tier was expanded in the 1740s to carry a wide road across the river. The aqueducts were built on slight declines every kilometer. It went down by 7 inches. Cranes were constructed to lift heavier objects. Cranes were usually used for building. Without cranes, aqueducts might not have been finished. Aqueducts were built using cranes because the building blocks were heavy for people to move, so it made it easier and faster to build the aqueducts. Roman bridges were among the first large and lasting bridges built. They were built with stone and or concrete. They were most of the time at least 60 feet above the body of water. The Romans constructed numerous aqueducts in order to bring water from distant sources into cities and towns, supplying public baths, latrines, fountains, and private households. Waste was removed by complex sewer systems and released into nearby bodies of water, keeping the towns clean from effluent. Aqueducts also provided water for mining operations, milling, farms, and gardens. Another piece of technology is water mills. They were used to move heavy materials, break down ores that were used for tools, armor, weapons, etc. That brings us to military technology. The early ballista in ancient Greece was developed from two weapons called oxblees and graspheres. The graspheres, also known as the belly bow, was a handheld crossbow. It was loaded by bracing the front against the ground and placing the end slider mechanism against the belly. The oxblees is a bigger, heavier construction employing a winch and was mounted on a tripod. It had a lower rate of fire and was used as a siege engine. When the Torsen spring was invented, people were able to bundle technology together, so they combined the oxblees and the graspheres to make the first ballista. The Romans invented something that was steam-powered, but it was just a toy. This toy could have moved technology forward for the Romans. Well, that's the end of this video. Bye.